In the times we're living in right now, our infrastructure is imperative to the livelihood of everybody in this country, and it's not getting the attention that it requires. To me, it's not only about building things, but it's maintaining the processes and the infrastructure that we have in place. It's extremely important.
If I were asked what does construction mean to me, it's my livelihood. It's my family's future.
It's a way to feed my family. It's a way to be outdoors, and I wouldn't be able to do anything else.
I understand how infrastructure generates more work through an economic engine that includes increased development and business growth within an area. That's what construction means to me.
I think the unique thing about construction is you get to build something, you get a product at the end, you get to meet some great customers on the other side of it. We've had very good luck focusing on the projects and not on necessarily all the egos at times that go into projects. And we've really been fortunate to build some pretty unique projects in Valley of the Sun.
This is how I feed my family. This is how I take care of myself. This is what I know. This is what I grew up doing. So for me, there's no other thing.
We're a heavy highway civil underground contractor. So what we do is the stuff that you don't see underneath the roads, and then everything on the surface.
I take a lot of pride, and so does everybody else, but I take a lot of pride in what we do. And it's really cool to be able to drive down the road, and you'll never think about this spot, right? But you drive down the road heading to another job site, and it's like, I did this job 10 years ago. I did this job 15 years ago. And then everything still looks good, right? And that's what we're about. I mean, this team right here, Cesar, everybody that we have working for us, that's what everybody strives for.
Achen-Gardner's projects involve the reconstruction, the enhancement, the maintenance of existing facilities, both transportation, street infrastructure, and wet utility infrastructure.
What makes me feel proud of the industry is that you're leaving behind a structure, a facility, a roadway, an infrastructure, something that's going to be there. It's something that makes you feel proud that you're just part of something like that's not going to go. It's not going to go anywhere.
I think Achen-Gardner's legacy is to be known as a contractor of choice, to be that go-to guy that can get the job done when nobody else seems to be able to get it done.
We get satisfaction in knowing that we did a good job, no leaks on our pipelines, everybody's safe, got home to their families. That's important.
Knowing that I put in something that's going to be there for years, and for us, it gets buried and no one gets to see it, but knowing that it's there and I did it, it's pretty awesome.
Pride means everything. Is everybody sees what we do every day on a daily basis.
Everybody takes pride and ownership in the projects that they work on. Not only is it a reflection on the company that we work for, but it's a reflection of us. And I feel like I'm part of the owners that my name's on that project, and like I said, it makes us all proud.
Pues si no hubiera construcción, no tuviéramos cómo mantener a la familia, ¿no? Para empezar. Aparte creo que construcción es lo que está construyendo América, pues si no hubiéramos trabajadores, ¿quién iba a construir todo lo que se está construyendo? El orgullo para mí que pues yo puedo decir, mira, gracias a nosotros, esa pipa está bien, esta pipa no se va a derrumbar. Eso yo siento que es el orgullo para nosotros.
Take pride in what you do, whatever it is, and walk away with a smile on your face, whether it was a successful project monetarily or not. And the fact that everybody on that job goes home at night to their families from the start of the project to the end, and we've done that for 26 years, is probably the thing I'm most proud of.
I am Howdy Hale. I work with Achen-Gardner, and I build America.
Mi nombre es Tony Salazar. Yo trabajo para Achen-Gardner y yo construyo América.
I am John Wallstrom. I'm with Achen-Gardner Construction, and I build America.
I'm Terry Chaudoin with Achen-Gardner Construction, and I build America.